Another thing which I wanted to touch base upon, the concept of gearing, de-gearing and re-gearing. Do you understand it in a layman terms? Because I have seen many students getting confused with these concepts. De-gearing and re-gearing. Is it clear to all of you? Okay, Srinivas is saying, please explain once. Okay, let's do it then. So I'll talk in absolute layman terms. There is a company, A Limited. Now, A Limited is already in one type of a business. Let's suppose this is into textiles. Now, this company wants to enter into automobile sector. The risk involved in automobile sector is different from the risk involved in textile sector. That means some beta adjustment would be needed to evaluate any particular project in the automobile sector. Yes or no?
Yes.
Some beta recalculations or adjustments would be needed because till now A Limited was in the textile business. So the beta at that time would be different from the beta when it enters into automobile sector. Yes or no? Will it be different or no?
Different.
It will be different. Now the problem comes in, how do I calculate that beta? So I need a beta of the automobile sector without the capital structure interference. I just need the risk of the automobile sector, not the complete risk of a business in automobile sector. There is a difference between these two terms. For example, there is another company, B Limited. B Limited has been working in the automobile sector since years. Its beta is, its beta is, let's suppose, 1.8. Does that mean the risk of the automobile sector is 1.8? No. The beta of a company means the business risk plus the risk of its gearing is there in that beta. This 1.8 will have the impact of two risks. One risk is related to the automobile sector risk. Another risk is related to its capital structure, how much debt it has, how much equity it has. That means the gearing level of this company. Now with 1.8 of beta, I need that portion of the beta which relates to automobile risk. That means I need to de-gear this beta. De-gear 1.8. Remove the impact of gearing from 1.8 so that the remaining beta is reflective only of the automobile sector risk. Am I clear on it? Is de-gear clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So simply de-gear is taking a beta of a company in the same sector which we are trying to land up in. But always remember, the beta will have the business risk as well as the capital structure risk involved. I need to remove the capital structure risk so that I get only the business risk beta. That is de-gearing. Now, once I have the de-geared beta, that is an automobile sector beta. For example, that comes out to 1.2. Now, for me, that is A Limited. 1.2 is not the total beta for me. For me, this 1.2 will have to be increased to reflect my capital structure risk also, my gearing level risk also. So I will have to add that portion into this beta to get a KE for me, for A Limited. That is the process of re-gearing. So re-gearing happens with my capital structure. De-gearing happens with the capital structure of B Limited. Clear? कुछ समझ आया?
Yes, ma'am.